What's up, guys? So last video we did the VTEC killer setup. Now today I'm going to paint the block with some duplicolor engine enamel with ceramic. It's just like a cast coat aluminum color. Yeah, everything's gonna be silver. Car silver, valve cover silver, engine silver, but eventually we'll switch this up. But my EG has been painted this color and it looks good. I like it, so I'm just do it again. I already cleaned the block. The transmission needs to be cleaned a little bit more, but this is all ready to go. So let's get to it. Alright, so it's painted. That was just like a few coats, and of course there was water in these threads and it dripped out, so that's a problem. I painted over all this, even the cover, whatever, not a big deal. And then the rear painted. You know, it just pretty much makes it back almost to where it looked like as it, you know, when it was brand new. So let that dry, probably hit it with some more coats. In the meantime, I'll clean this and see what else I end up deciding to do. All right, so I think it dried for the most part. So I'm just gonna start taking some things off here. Again, and then also while I'm here, I think it's time to put the crank pulley on. What else I got here? I got the hybrid racing plug to put on and the other hybrid racing plug that goes here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do those three things while I let the transmission that I cleaned dry. All right, so I got the pulley, I got the key. Guess I put the key in the pulley, and it should just slide on. All right, it's on there. There you go. It's on there, so I'm just going to zap it on. It's like 181 foot-pounds or something crazy. I don't have a torque wrench that goes that high, so this will be how I torque it. Guten tight. All right, so this is the rear heater plug. This is another build that's not gonna have heat. It's like 100 degrees today, so you know, no wonder I don't need it. So this is a 22. All right, so it is a 22. I have a 7/8 because I don't have a 22 deep. It's a very fine thread, so you just want to take your time with it so you don't strip it. All right, so when you put this in, just like anything, you want to put it in by hand. That way you don't cross thread it. So to tighten this, I used a 26-inch wrench that I had, or 26mm wrench, my bad. And it has a washer in between, so make sure that's on it. So now here we come to the front. This is really super easy. The plug over here. I'll show you how to do it. All right, so for this plug that goes here, you simply remove this 10 put the plug in. Let's see. Oh, I don't got a mallet. Put this plug in. Okay, I went in there with a mallet. I didn't show you guys that, but that's what I did. You put this little lock on. That goes over there. And then thread that in. And there you go. Done. Alright, so I got the transmission pretty clean. Now I'm just gonna spray it down. Alright, so I painted it. It doesn't look too bad. Honestly, I could have did a better job cleaning it, but I didn't really feel like it. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. But for the most part, it looks pretty good. I just covered up, you know, the sensors, the shifter mechanism. Wasn't too worried about anything else. I guess I could have covered the threads, but I'm just real careful about it. The inside, I did not paint. I cleaned it okay. Still need to change out this bearing here, the release bearing, whatever it's called. I have all that in the clutch kit, but that'll probably be another video. So I'm just let everything dry here and probably wrap things up. Alright, almost forgot I have another piece I could put on, and that's the CRV mount, which was like a unicorn to find, but eventually I found one at the junkyard. That's further from my house. I think I had that in a prior video. So I'm just gonna put this on now. And tighten things up. Alright, these are 14s. Alright, so we got the block painted, we got the block off plate on, we got this block plate, or whatever you want to call it, on. Got the CRV mount on, we got the crank pulley on, and then we painted the transmission. So, I don't know, things are getting really close to getting it on, so I think the next video, hopefully the engine is gonna go in the car. I don't feel like doing it today. It's super hot and already, you know, kind of tired. So I'm gonna call it quits for today. But next video for sure, I have a good feeling the motor will go in the car. All we gotta do is the clutch kit, rear main seal, the bearing for the transmission, and that should probably be it. I mean, once the motor's in the car, then we can start working on other things like the shifter box, shifter cables. Car's an automatic, so it's gonna need the clutch pedal, which I already have. So, you know, much more to come, but getting the motor in the car, you know, makes it that much closer to being K-swap. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it wasn't super exciting, but I, you know, just wanna show the progress. Yeah. So like, comment, subscribe. Any questions or anything, hit me up on Instagram, egchris92. Later.